Alright, Meowth, let's go. Alright.
Meowth, that's right.
Get these crayons out of here. And the scissors. There. Alright. Here we go. Wait, is this which one name? Well, this is my name. Yeah. I have no idea what it is. Oh. It's my victory. My celebration. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright. Hey, Coop, so you stay for this Sunday? Oh, yeah. Mother's Day. I hope that kids got the presents for Jesse, Shunby, and Cassidy. Yeah, I hope so, too. And then I'm gonna do a nice dinner place. Or going to Mom's house. Yeah, that's true. Oh! Oh, God. My ear's killing me! No! 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 Flash! Stupid blue shell. I hope blue shells don't appear in Mario Kart 9. Yeah, I think Nintendo wants to put them in Mario Kart 9. If they're ever gonna make a new, if they're ever gonna do announce Mario Kart 9, that is. Yeah, but they have popular. Mario Kart 2 is popular in RBC this year. Last year, thank you. Alright now, you're right. Dude, you okay? Yeah. Oh my God, who? Oh my Lord! So mad right now. What the hell are you doing? Did this son of a gun just... Come on now, he knows our brother. I know, but oh my God. That's how CPUs are. True. I'm so glad I'm new Pokemon Snap. Oh yeah, we finally found out that you are in it. Yeah. And now we're waiting for Mario Kart Super Rush. Oh yeah. Everybody's been finally waiting. That the But the Mario Go Super Rush, Star Rush is coming. Yeah, me too. Too bad, too sad, Wario. No, it's not Star Rush, it's Super Rush. Oh yeah. Mario Gold Super Rush. Yeah, it's been 2 months since we react the trailer. Yeah. Oh, Wario, Wario, Wario! Open, open! Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Let me do something quick. Sucker! Haha! Alright, alright, great. Yes, I got Shy Guy. Look at all the cheap cheats. No! No! Who did that? All the original. Oh yeah, myself. Whoa, I'm close. I saw James. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did too. Is that you, Meowth? No, that was one of the real cheap cheats. No! No! Why the hell? They're bringing the blue shell! That's bull! Bull, man! Well, at least I'm far away. Yeah, that's true. Alright. Alright, final race. Waha! Ruff. Meowth, that's right. Alright, Meowth, good luck. Thank you, troops. Yay! There better not be blue shots in this final race. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, what? That's what you get, boy. Sorry, Coops. What? Who did that? Shy Guy. Or another, I don't know. I think it was Shy Guy, saw him. Oh my god. No, no. It's okay. Wait. Yeah. Hurry me out! There we go. Ay! Thanks. Did you hear that some people are moving tonight with us? Or the world's gonna collide with ours? Wait, what? Who told you that? Well, I heard the twerps saying it. The twerps? Yeah. From another dimension. Whoa, whatever. Yep. Oh. Who is it? I didn't hear the name. Didn't hear the name great. But, it's someone familiar that we know. Someone familiar. Yeah. Oh my god! There we go. Oh no. Yo, look at how far away we are. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, my back's killing me. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Oh, finally better. Let's go get some lunch. Yeah.